And guys, tinon-on ko na yung ating kawali. So we are going to use our coconut oil this time. So we're gonna cook as we go. Add garlic. Add onion. Add your fresh chopped tomato. Mix, mix, mix. Yun na yung tomato natin. Then add your ground turkey. Gonna add 2 pinch of salt. Hawaiian salt I use. Mix them. Add black pepper. Mix them. Then we're gonna let that cook. We're gonna add our shrimp. Add a little bit of cajun. Just mix it.
Have I did this? Just a tiny bit.
Add oregano.
What is oregano?
It's an herbs. It's a yummy herbs.
Yeah, I don't know it. Can you make it? Like this, and this.
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah. So Michelle is mixing it.
Can I put my pancake? No.
Okay guys, we are going to add the water from the pasta. This is the water from the pasta that we cook. We put enough. So you just have to add if you like the a lot of sauce in it or not. So there you go.
I want to
Look how beautiful it is. I'm gonna add basil. This is the dry basil. You can use the fresh one. It's better if it's fresh. So we're just gonna use our basil, the dried one.
Can you put my pancake in up?
Not yet. Michelle's gonna cook her pancake.
Are you ready? My pancake?
So I'm gonna try. That's so yummy. I'm gonna add more of salt. This is so exciting. I'm gonna add more of the water from the boiling cooking pasta. There we go, guys. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off and we will wait for our pasta, then we will put them together. Okay guys, ito na, ilalagay na natin yung ating pasta. So this is shrimp, turkey meat, and lots of natural ingredients that we put in here. And we use a lot of natural ingredients in here. Oh no, this looks so good.
Daddy. Oh, mommy. Mommy.
That's so good. As you can see, guys. Yummy.
I don't have to. Understand?
So ayan, ita-try ko siya. Try natin. This is gonna be so yummy. That is so yummy, guys. It's really yummy. You guys should try it, this one. Try this. It's so easy, yummy, and you will be telling everyone to try them. So good. That's so good. Guys, I will advise to try this. This is so good. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you guys next time, and please subscribe in our channel and also click the bell button to notify our new video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. God bless us. Bye.